Isaac, tanda mo pa ba nung una tayong nagkausap? Bale sa Facebook lang yun kasi sa school, kahit na araw-araw tayo nagkikita, di mo ako magawang lapitan.
Nakita kita and I was stunned. No? Sabi ko parang gusto kong kausapin ng girl na to and I'm very interested to you.
Hindi ko alam kung nahihiya ka ba or torpe ka lang talaga.
Pero hindi ko kaya. Kaya in-approach ko yung friend ko. Siya, yung naging wingman. Kung bakit kami nagkatagpo ni Ana.
Tossed in like a castaway. What we wanted, not what we thought we wanted. Tossed in, you couldn't see it coming. What we needed, not what we thought we needed. Don't give up, don't give in. Waiting patiently from where riches flow. My heart is sure to follow. Over here, you can see much clearer. What you wanted was always only what we needed. Won't give up.
Alam ko, hindi naging madali yung relationship natin kasi nagme-med school tayo. Andun yung stress, pero kahit kailan naman, di tayo nagsawa supportahan ng isa't isa.
And ayun, nakarating na tayo sa moment na to. And it is a gift of God.
Kung anong pagmamahal nyo ngayon sa inyong, sa bawat isa, hanggang dulo.
Yung tagumpay niyo, mas malaking tagumpay sa amin ng mga magulang ninyo. Yung lungkot nyo, mas malungkot kami ha. Alam niyo yan. Pero pag masaya kayo, mas masaya kami para sa iyo, sa inyo.
Today, I'm taking a leap of faith to weather every storm with you for the rest of my life.
And I just want to say to you, Ana, na mahal kita. Kahit ano mangyari, si Lord lang sana palagi yung sinusundan natin. Gusto ko lang lagi talaga, focus tayo kay Lord. Kasi kahit anong pagdaanan natin, siya lagi magbibigay ng sign. Hindi tayo malalayo sa Kanya. Yun lang, I love you.
I choose you today, tomorrow, and for the rest of my life. I love you.